1 a.m., eyes closed, I'm slowly falling to the music and